Sabay kamayan nyo naman.
Ano ko na lang.
Yon.
Ayan, thank you. And all together, let us welcome the newlywed with a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Mr. and Mrs. Armando and Renita Reyes. Ayan. And since nakatayo na rin lang naman po tayo, it is but fitting to start our celebration this afternoon with a prayer. And to lead us into prayer is we have the sister of our bride, Miss Leda. Mrs. Leda.
Let us bow our heads with our children. Our Father, God is in your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done.
I think the program, our celebration tonight wouldn't be complete if I wouldn't be acknowledging the people who are responsible a while ago in a very special ceremony. And of course, i-acknowledge and I request everyone naman po, halika na lang po pag natawag ko po ang name. Matawagin ko po kayo. Later po. Ayan. So let me start first by acknowledging the parents of our newlyweds. Ladies and gentlemen, pasalubungin po natin ang sigabong palakpakan. Without them, we wouldn't have our Ay, sa kabila pala po. Ayan. I love this one. Holy wonderful persons. And of course, if you have your biological parents, today, you already have additional parents. Now, these wonderful persons will be there to guide you. Siguro simulan natin sa mga nagwagwapuhang mga ninong.
Ako yun, ako yun. Ako yun.
Ako mga ninong, may mga magagandang ninang. Ayan naman. Let's acknowledge first in line, Mrs. Ernie Estrellado. Ayan, hello po. We have Mrs. Eloisa Garcia. Dapat na suspension fee. Of course, we have Mrs. Nenita Galo. Hello po, welcome. We have Mrs. Fe Hidalgo. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you po. And of course, okay, there you go, our principal sponsor sa inyong mga additional parents. And a while ago, in the ceremony, we have the bridal entourage also. So let's acknowledge them. Once your name po is called, pwede po ba tayong tumayo also to be acknowledged? At bigyan naman natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan.
Congratulations and sa newlywed, best wishes, and ngayong isa na kayo. So lahat ng desisyon, so lahat pinag-uusapan, at saka yun nga, so mahalang kayo habang buhay.
Complete without the words of love from your loving parents. So, may I call on? Entourage also. So let's acknowledge them. Once your name po is called, pwede po ba tayong tumayo also? Acknowledge. May I call on?